A leaked 160-page Department of Homeland Security document dubbed Capstone Exercise 2014 Scenario Ground Truth describes a nationwide drill taking place from March 27th to April 24th, 2014, in which martial law is declared in the aftermath of a massive earthquake in Alaska and subsequent tsunami. But the main threat to the country, according to the drill, comes in the form of a massive cyber attack by several fictitious anti-government groups, one specifically named Free Americans Against Socialist Tyranny. The drill guidelines read like a top-secret presidential directive, even mandating that the document be kept in a locked safe. Each and every page is stamped with the order "Trusted Agents Only," and describes how only DHS agents are to view the document, specifying that the thousands of local and state employees taking part in the drill, even National Guard and military members, be not allowed to look at it. In the wake of the national disaster, it is not Russia or the Chinese who have historically waged frequent cyber attacks on the U.S., but liberty-loving Americans who are the enemy. According to the document, quote, cyber attacks are expected throughout the exercise by members of anti-government organizations, such as Free Americans Against Socialist Tyranny and individuals sympathetic to their cause. According to the drill, the Free Americans group are not acting alone, but in tandem with government employees, the National Guard, and current and former military members. Quote, while some Free Americans Against Socialist Tyranny members are capable of conducting adverse cyber operations, the greatest threat is current government employees sympathetic to their cause. Also included are employees within U.S. Northern Command, U.S. Air Force, U.S. Army, National Guard, and Defense Information Systems Agency that may support Free Americans Against Socialist Tyranny doctrine. Free Americans Against Socialist Tyranny sympathizers may include both former and current members of the military. Barack Hussein Obama has told us that we need to give up our rights to be treated like criminals at airports in order to protect us from Al-Qaeda. He has told us that he needs to spy on our phone calls and emails to protect us from terrorists, that Russia is our enemy, that Syria is our enemy. If that is the case, why is he directing his Department of Homeland Security to treat everyday, liberty-loving Americans, the military, the National Guard, even his own government employees, as the enemy? Americans are not the enemy. It is Barack Hussein Obama who is the enemy, and he must be impeached immediately.